This video is for 1218, number 16. This is the drawing for 1218, number 2, that you just finished. So what I would do is take this, number 2, file, save as, and save it as 16, and then just wipe out those views, because this part hasn't changed. Now look at number 16. It has a line in the middle of it. That dimension is on number 15. So on this page, all these little parts kind of work together. So if they give you a dimension on one part, it typically carries through to all the rest. So it tells me on part 15 that that little step up right there is at 1 inch. So I'm just going to offset 1 inch. And that's going to place that line in there. So that is my front view. Now let's draw the right side view. So again, I'm going to start 2 inches over. That seemed to work out pretty well. This time the base is 2 inches. Let me change my layer. There we go. Now, that's 1 inch. Got a 1/2 inch here. So there's the right side view. So now I need to create the auxiliary view. So I'm going to take this surface and project it so I get the true size and shape. Start with offset. 1 inch seems to work pretty well. So I'm going to offset 1 inch. Now I'm going to offset 2 inches because that's how wide the base is. And then I'm going to go ahead and offset my 1/2 inch on either side. Right, that's this offset and this one. So now let's connect the dots. So let's draw across the top and the bottom. And now I need this piece, right, which is this piece. Where most people mess up is they'll just take this bottom line and offset 1 inch. That's not what's happening, okay? Because this is where this is hitting on that angled edge. So go to the line command, pick that intersection, and then use your perpendicular object snap, because I have no idea if this is at a true angle of any kind. So click your perpendicular object snap, then click this back line, and now you can trim out your part. That's it. Part's finished. Add your dimensions on this view, and that is your auxiliary view. You're showing the true size and shape of this front surface here that is being projected onto the right side. Make sure you save it, put it in your title block. This one doesn't have a title. You don't have to edit the title, and make sure it's printed out 1:1 scale. And that's it. Super easy.